Eureka 5.6. And it's bolted, but I'm gonna attempt to do it on gear. We'll see, we'll see. No, skip the bolts, do gear, start recording. And I'm like, oh, it's fine.
You're good.
Yeah.
Just be accurate.
That seems scary, that thing.
Yeah, I would.
I'm not cranking on that thing.
Oh, I'm sure it's solid. It's iron.
Is it?
Bomber, whip on it.
Nice.
Did you get that on the video?
Yeah.
He just told my son last night, pull my finger. And he was like, oh, my finger ain't even started off command. And he did it again. He's just like, my son was so confused, quieter. Yeah, I've
You're
never
probably right.
recorded in front of my husband.
So bad. I was in the pavilion the other day, and it was the loudest fucking all week. And both the other people on the other side of the pavilion just like, sorry.
As in, like, looked at you?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure Brian pooped his pants last night. One of them.
One of my pants?
No, one of your farts. It's like, it's not like a wet one. You check? Or you just put it back in your back. Here's the fifth.
Just hear the heckling in the background.
You got a lot of editing to do. For the gram.
Probably gonna sling that actually. I don't want to walk in further.
I'm telling you, you don't want it to walk in. I don't think that came across. I think I feel
I could tell you were going through something, but I couldn't tell if it was like Christopher Walken or like Tony Soprano.
That's a bomber piece of gear, dude.
Like started swinging down and like ended up just like mounting on top of it and just like standing there just like, wow, that wasn't cool.
Yeah, I took a nasty fall one time where I ripped a piece of gear and this piece of gear came out on me and one down caught me. So I fell probably like this. That's that one. That's that one. Did you get it open? From inertia.
Or maybe there is so much, you know, force behind that inertia that like it just like loosens up the muscle there. can't then just have the more side. And I have like a little like foam thing right here that needs to pop out. For like probably just like some but like, I wonder if it effectively makes hands like I haven't yet, no. I honestly, it's like really, it's not that massive. That like, if it did anything, that would be crazy surprising. But like, I'm not that self-aware. Yeah, right. I'm nowhere. I'm not at.
Sick.
Nice, dude. Good job.
Take. Yeah, dude.
Good job. So,
That was my first green point.